How much does an uncontested divorce cost in NY? Divorce is never easy, but some married couples might find that it's their only option. New York is a state that recognizes both fault and no-fault divorce grounds. If you and your spouse agree on getting a divorce, it's important to consult with an uncontested divorce lawyer to get an idea of how much your divorce might cost. Divorce laws in New York. In Manhattan, New York City and the state as a whole, there are laws that recognize fault and no-fault grounds for divorce. It's also possible to get a contested or uncontested divorce. Although all of these options exist for those who are looking to end their marriage, the divorce process can still be complex. As a result, it's always wise to consult with an uncontested divorce lawyer to get a better idea of what might happen and how much it might cost. What is the difference between contested and uncontested divorce? If a divorce between two people in New York is contested, it means that one spouse wanted to get a divorce while the other did not want it. This can complicate matters and require the assistance of a family law attorney. An uncontested divorce takes place between spouses who agree that their marriage is no longer worth salvaging after they've exhausted all options to fix things. However, even though the spouses agree, it's still a good idea to retain an uncontested divorce lawyer to represent you in your case. How long does a divorce take? When you and your spouse have decided that you will get an uncontested divorce in Manhattan, it could take anywhere from 4 to 12 months. The exact length of time before your divorce is final depends on a variety of factors. Some of those include typical concerns such as alimony, child support, and division of property. How much will your uncontested divorce cost? Because it's possible to seek a fault or no-fault divorce in New York City, you can get a better idea of how much your uncontested divorce might cost based on the divorce grounds. If you have filed a no-fault, uncontested divorce, it's the cheapest option and can make the process much easier and faster. If you file a fault uncontested divorce, your spouse might challenge the grounds for divorce even if they agree to the divorce itself. Adultery is the most common divorce ground, but it's not unusual for a spouse to challenge that or cruel and inhumane treatment if they have a history of abusing you. Whenever there is a fault-based divorce, it will be more expensive. On average, divorce in New York can cost around $17,000. However, an uncontested divorce can be as cheap as $5,500. That's in vast contrast to a contested divorce, which can be as high as $50,000 on average. There are fees to consider in addition to those you pay to your attorney. You have to take into account the court fees and other costs related to filing the divorce papers. If you're considering divorce in New York and want to learn more about how much it might cost, contact an uncontested divorce lawyer at your earliest convenience.